Are you a teenager with big dreams of becoming a millionaire someday? You're not alone. More and more young people are thinking ahead, aiming for financial freedom long before adulthood. And here's the exciting part. Thanks to ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and other beginner-friendly investment tools, it's now easier than ever for teens to start investing early and build a strong foundation for their future wealth. Investing isn't just for adults with full-time jobs. With the right guidance, discipline, and long-term mindset, teenagers can begin planting the seeds of financial success right now. Starting early gives you a massive advantage because your money has more time to grow, multiply, and benefit from compound interest. In this guide, we'll explore practical ways for teenagers to begin investing, understand the basics of wealth building, and take the first steps toward future millionaire status. Whether you're earning allowance money, working a part-time job, or simply curious about the world of investing, this guide will help you get started with confidence. Let's dive in and explore a teenager's guide to starting investing early, your roadmap to a smarter, richer financial future. Understanding the power of compound interest. If there's one concept every teenager aiming for future millionaire status must understand, it's compound interest. This single financial principle can determine how fast your money grows over time, and the earlier you learn it, the stronger your financial foundation becomes. Compound interest works by earning interest not only on your original investment but also on the interest you previously earned. In other words, your money grows on top of growth. Think of it as a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it keeps rolling, it becomes larger and faster with very little extra effort. For example, if you invest $1,000 at an 8% annual return, you'll earn $80 after the first year. Instead of taking that $80 out, you leave it in the investment. In the second year, the 8% return applies to $1,080, giving you even more growth without any additional work from you. Over time, this compounding effect becomes dramatic, and that's why investors who start young have such a huge advantage. The biggest secret to mastering compound interest is starting early. Even small, consistent investments can turn into significant wealth if you give them enough time to grow. Your money does the heavy lifting for you while you focus on school, hobbies, or your future plans. Setting your financial goals before you begin investing, it's important to define what you're working toward. Setting clear financial goals helps you stay focused and motivated as you begin your wealth-building journey. Start by identifying your time frame. Are you saving for something short-term like a new laptop or car, or are you thinking long-term, like college, your first apartment, or even early retirement? Your time horizon affects how much risk you should take and the types of investments that make sense for you. Next, consider how much money you can realistically invest. As a teenager, your income may come from allowance, part-time work, or small gigs. That's perfectly fine. What matters most is consistency, not the size of your investment. Even small monthly contributions can turn into big results over time. It's also important to understand your personal risk tolerance. Some people are comfortable with the ups and downs of the stock market, while others prefer more stable and predictable growth. Knowing your comfort level helps you choose investments that fit your personality and financial goals. Finally, think about what you value. If you care about technology, sustainability, or healthcare innovation, you can invest in those industries. Aligning your investments with your interests makes the journey more enjoyable and meaningful. Learning basic financial concepts. Before you invest real money, it's helpful to understand some basic financial ideas that will guide your decisions throughout your journey. Budgeting teaches you how to manage your money so you always have something left to invest. Risk and return help you understand that bigger rewards often come with more uncertainty. Asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate form the building blocks of a diverse portfolio. Diversification protects you by spreading your money across different investments so one bad investment doesn't ruin your whole plan. You should also understand investment vehicles such as ETFs, mutual funds, individual stocks, and bonds. Each one has different pros and cons depending on your goals. Time horizon matters too. The longer your money stays invested, the more risk you can take and the more growth you can expect. And finally, don't forget taxes. Understanding how taxes work will help you keep more of the money you earn. Starting with a savings account. A savings account is the simplest and safest place for any teenager to begin their financial journey. Even though the interest rate is small, a savings account helps you build the habit of saving money consistently. It keeps your money safe, easily accessible, and ready when you need it. Most importantly, a savings account helps you develop discipline. When you regularly deposit money, you learn how to set aside funds for your future instead of spending everything right away. This habit makes the transition into investing much easier later on. Trying out virtual trading platforms. Once you've built a small savings base, the next step is learning how investing actually works without risking real money. Virtual trading platforms let you practice buying and selling stocks in a simulated environment. You can test strategies, explore different types of investments, and get comfortable making decisions before investing real dollars. These platforms also offer educational tools, real-time market data, and communities of young investors who are learning just like you. This hands-on practice builds your confidence and helps you understand how markets move. Investing in a diversified portfolio. When you're ready to invest real money, one of the smartest strategies is building a diversified portfolio. Diversification means spreading your money across different asset classes, industries, and regions so your overall risk is lower. Instead of putting everything into one stock, you might invest in technology, healthcare, consumer goods, and global markets. You may include stocks for growth, bonds for stability, and index funds or ETFs for broad exposure. The goal is to protect yourself while still allowing your money to grow over time. A diversified portfolio reduces risk and increases your chance of long-term success, two essential ingredients for future millionaires. Seeking guidance from a financial advisor. Even though you can learn a lot on your own, getting advice from a financial advisor can help you avoid mistakes and make smarter choices. Advisors can help you set realistic goals, understand risk, build a personalized investment plan, and navigate unfamiliar financial situations. They can also help you with other financial skills like budgeting, tax planning, and understanding financial documents. While some advisors charge fees, the long-term guidance can be incredibly valuable, especially when you're just starting out. Having a professional in your corner adds confidence and clarity to your investing journey. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides.